Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday direction video. Today is all about reviewing. So I have the study guide up here. And again, for you people that are maybe new with the study guide, each of these are a test question or a test answer. So go through the study guide and utilize all the different things that we've used in class to fill in the study guides. For example, the PowerPoint's a good place to start. So go through it, uh, fill it out as you go through. Again, like I said before, if there's a picture or something, you may just have to Google it, do a little independent research yourself. Another good idea to use for filling out the study guide is to go to the ancient Greece section, and you may have to go through some of the readings again and to be able to fill it out, because I do take questions from the readings, I take questions from our notes, and I take questions from the video guides. So if you didn't do any of the assignments for this unit, you're going to probably struggle, because this class is set up for people who do their work every day, right? So if you do your work every day, you normally get to double dip. You get the points for doing the daily assignments, and then also you see those same exact questions on the quiz. So if you get them right one day, you can get them right another day. And yeah, so just go through the study guide, fill it out. I don't think I'm going to let you guys use your study guide on the test, but I am going to let you use your notes. So if you want to go the extra mile and put some of this stuff inside your notes so you can use it, please feel free to do that. But like I said before, I will not let you use your study guide on the test. I will just let you use your notes. So you're going to have to do a little bit of work if you want to put the study guide into your notes. That would be a good idea. But again, just keep that in mind. I would go through the PowerPoint for sure, the readings, and obviously the videos to make sure that we are ready to go. The first group will take the quiz when we come back on Monday. So if you're a Monday, Wednesday person, be ready to take the quiz. Tuesday people, be ready to take it Tuesday, obviously. And then online people, I believe, will be taking it Monday as well. So make sure you're checking in. I have people, literally the online people, not taking the tests or not taking the quizzes. Okay, so I don't know what you guys are doing, but you guys got to get back on top of it here. I mean, and again, you don't get the whole day to take the quiz. You get 1 hour, just like the kids in class. So make sure you're checking in on time, because if you're late, you missed it. You get a 0. Not my fault. Show up on time next time. All right, that's all I got, guys. Good luck working on the study guide. And I'll see you guys next week if I don't see you today.